Hello, everybody. My name is Mark Bruno with the Monterey Peninsula Home Team. I hope everybody's doing well and is safe out there. Today, I wanted to do a virtual open house of a condo we just listed out off of Highway 68. It's in a great complex called The Villas. It's almost right in the middle between Monterey and Salinas, making it an ideal location. This complex has a ton of amenities, including a 10-hole golf course, a pool. It's got tennis courts. It's got a half basketball court. There's a clubhouse. The grounds are extremely well kept. It's a fantastic little gated community right off of Highway 68. And units there tend to sell fairly quickly. So like the other virtual open houses that we've done, I have a 3D tour of this property and I want to walk you through that. But first, I want to go ahead and go to the MLS listing of this property. This is a version of it from our website. And you can see this particular house. Now let me get you a picture of the front. There's the grounds. Here's kind of a picture of the front of it. And these condos, the two-story units like this one here typically share a wall with one other neighbor. And there is an elevator in all of these units. At least they had elevators in them. They were built back in the 70s. So this particular unit, like a lot of them, the elevator no longer functions, but obviously there's provisions for it. And if an elevator was important to you, there's a place for it and you could have a new elevator installed. Two-car garage down below. These are good sized condos, especially for our area. So this is 1,800 square feet total, including the upstairs living space, which is 3 bedrooms and 2 baths. And then there's a downstairs space with laundry and storage, and then the garage on top of that. So like I said, good size unit for sure. And let me open up the map here just to kind of show you where we are. So here's Laurellis Grade. This would be Toro Park over here. So you can kind of see it's in a great location, close to Laguna Seca, and you're probably 12 to 15 minutes from downtown Monterey, and probably the same from the south part of Salinas. So here, I'll back this out just so you kind of get a little better idea. So you can see Monterey, Delray Oaks on this side. Salinas starts right over here, Spreckles, Las Palmas, and then this is all Toro Park up this way. So this is actually a great park where a lot of people run and ride bikes, have picnics. They have functions there. I've been to car shows and things like that out there as well. So really good location. And the other thing to remember is the weather here is fantastic. So it's warmer than being on the coast. It's not as windy as being in Salinas, and it doesn't get super hot like it does down the valley. So really nice temperate area to live. So now what I want to do, well, you know what, I'll show you, well, I'll do that towards the end here. We'll go ahead and jump into the 3D tour of the property. So this is the front door that you get to from the side. And you can see there's been new flooring put into this unit. This is where the elevator is. It's here, but like I said, it's not functional, so you'd have to look into getting that repaired. I don't think it has ever worked for the current owner. It just was not a big deal for him. Here's your living room with a fireplace. There's a great deck and kind of an open sort of a floor plan here. So you can look, there's your dining room, there's your kitchen. You might as well go out on this deck and check out the view. So you kind of get an idea what the grounds are like here. And they do have single level units here as well with carports, not garages. And this is one of the holes on the golf course. There's walking trails all around. In general, like I said, just a great spot. This is Mount Toro right here. So sometimes in the wintertime, you'll see a little dusting of snow on the top of that, which is kind of cool. Little storage outside. And then here is the kitchen. So I'll kind of walk us that direction. And then here, we'll look back. kind of at the size of this room. So it's a good size living room, dining room, and kind of an open space. And as always, this 3D tour is down below where you find this video. So you can come here and spend as much time looking at the interior of this house as you want. Obviously, I'm kind of going through it sort of quickly here. But nice stainless steel appliances. Countertops have been updated. The cabinets seem to be in really good shape. They're look like they're original, but still in really good shape. And then as we go down the hall, you've got a bedroom over here with nice big closets. You've got a hall bath. And there's new vanity in here, obviously. You've got a separate room for the shower and toilet, which is nice. Dual vanities. Those are new. And down the hallway, we've got, I believe the master's on the left, so we'll go into this other guest bedroom. Yep, so you can see another guest bedroom here with new carpet down. There's closets in here that are good size as well. That's kind of what's behind the unit there. You can see out the window. And then we'll check out the master. So a good sized master bedroom. Then another ample sized bathroom with a walk-in closet. So kind of nice in a condo to have a good sized walk-in closet. That's why people love this complex. Then you can see we've got, you know, a shower over tub and a toilet also kind of back in this private room, and then a dual vanity. Oh, I'm sorry, only a single vanity in the master. The dual vanity was in the other bath. My apologies there. But again, a nice, sweet, good sized unit upstairs. And what I'm gonna do is we'll go down, check out the lower level. So with these 3D tours, they're kind of cool. You've probably seen this in one of my other ones, but we have this floor plan that you can literally fly into, and you can also kind of see the lower level. And then if you want, you can take a floor plan view where it splits it into the first or second floor. So you can see here's the first level, here's the second. So if we go down to the lower level, it's kind of showing you what else is down there. So I can kind of just fly into that space. And you can see, here's the laundry area. That door goes to the garage. Here's your laundry. So that door right there goes to the garage. Here's the elevator up. So if you wanted to, you know, if an elevator is really important to you, you literally would come out of the garage, hit the elevator and go up. If you had that elevator working again, you could use it for your groceries to send them up, whatever you wanted to do. And then there's some storage space back here, which is pretty nice to have. So let me go back to the pictures, and I'm going to show you kind of the grounds here, just to give you an idea how well maintained this place is. There is an HOA fee. It's a gated community, so there is an electric gate to get in, so it kind of keeps traffic out. And it's $625 a month, and you can see you get you know, tennis courts, there's a pool, there's a 10-hole golf course, which is really seems to be well maintained. I've never actually played it. I've always wanted to. I've driven by it, so maybe I'll sneak out there now that we have a listing. But you kind of get the idea. And then there's all these little walking trails. This is the clubhouse. Here's the gate to get in. And here's the backyard of the unit that I was kind of showing you through the bedroom window. So that is the virtual open house for our condo out at the villas. That is, the address is 23799 Salinas Monterey Highway, and this is unit 62. So I hope you enjoyed the virtual tour. Let us know if you have any questions. Down below are links to an actual virtual tour of the property that has a bunch of pictures. It also has some more information about the property, like the map that I was looking at. There is also the link to the 3D tour that we were looking through. There's also ways to get in touch with us down there as well. So you can fill out a form and get a hold of us directly. If you have your own agent, you can obviously call your own agent and they can get questions answered for you. They probably will know about this complex. And either way, we're happy to help any way we can. My name is Mark Bruno with the Monterey Peninsula Home Team. And I look forward to hearing from you and helping you any way I can. All right, take care. Hope you enjoyed the virtual open house.